soaring high through the painted sky. Doctors heal with care, heroes everywhere. Architects build high castles in the sky. Firefighters brave, every day they say. Astronauts who fly, stars within their eyes. Scientists discover secrets to uncover. Dream a little dream, where you can be anything, from the ground to the stars. All the world is ours. Chase the fantasy, this playground's free. Every role, every scene, captured in our dreams. The sandbox realms where I once reigned king. Life's stern demands now encroach on everything. Thrown a boundless dream, sharply restrained within the rigid walls of reality, firmly framed. Choices now bear the weight of iron chains, where once they soar freely like aeroplanes. Reality takes hold, no facade to maintain, as the vibrant hues of youth begin to wane. Dream a little dream of what you could be, from the boundless earth to the expansive sea. Chasing fantasies in youthful glee. Every role play, every scene a spree. In life's blueprint, my role now shapes from dreams to forms that I embrace. Crafting the future with each design. Where once I roamed, now I align. Tools in hand, building day by day. Structures that against the sky will sway. Sharpen potential, now my dreams projecting concrete and steel. My commitment reflecting every choice, breaking my bill. Life with precise plans I fill. Not just dreams, but the real creating paths I pick, the future I'm making. Dream my dreams, once fast and wild. From boundless skies to life compiled. As pursued with heart sincere, each chosen step brings purpose near. From fantasies once free and wide, to the solid paths where I now abide. No longer adrift in dreams of youth, in my chosen path my strength rings true. No longer adrift in dreams of youth, in my chosen path my strength rings true.
Yo, we've been grinding hard, putting in them hours, but it's time to step it up and show them our power. You got the voice, you got the moves, don't be shy, it's time to shine, let's take it to the sky. Come on homie, don't be scared, let it out. We got your back no matter what, we gonna shout. You got the fire, ignite the street. Yeah, we all catch a vibes, feeling the hype, but it's you bro who's got the light. Step on the stage, own the mic, don't be weak. You got the fire, ignite the streak. We stand united, unbeaten by life. Our bonds cut deeper than any strife. From distant shores, where troubles are rife. Together we navigate every life, knife.